This is a presentation on problem-based learning brought to you by the Cockaigne Farmstead. Problem-based learning is a new way of teaching where real-world problems are presented to students and the students are then to create a solution to that problem. These problems use both information students already know and encourage the students to search for new information in the problem-solving process. The teacher steps back and monitors the process students are taking and progress students are making toward their solution. Sometimes the teacher may need to help redirect students to help them learn the needed objectives and provide some of the needed info. The teacher's time in the background creates a more student-centered environment. Why participate in problem-based learning? Problem-based learning creates opportunities in the classroom that the traditional approach to learning simply does not. The focus then shifts to a few different things. First, conceptual understanding, where, rather than memorizing facts, students are making deeper connections to concepts through the experience of physically gaining knowledge rather than being lectured to. Also, there is collaboration and negotiation between students. Relationships must be created among students to better communicate how the group can get to the solution. Students also negotiate to be able to rule in or rule out one another's solution ideas. There's excitement in the classroom. Because students have a more active role, they more enjoy what they are doing and are excited to take the reins and discover more information to get to their solution. And it's the start of a forever learning process. Students are now learning how to go and get what they want to know. So, this begins a life journey of learning from sources other than the teacher. To begin problem-based learning, the class or groups read through the problem and discuss it. Reading is beneficial because one student practices reading out loud and the others are listening. This way, all have heard the problem. Discussion is also essential to ensure students understand the problem and what needs to be solved. Next, it is essential for organization to take place. This way, students can be on the same page in the process. We suggest using a KWHL chart. In the K section, students list what they know about the problem. In the W, they list what they want to learn to get to the solution. In the H, students list what they will do to get to the solution or how they'll get there. And the L, at the end, students reflect on their process and record what they've learned. After creating their chart, students will begin work to solve the problem. They then begin to analyze their information and make judgments on how to apply that information toward a solution. Students then present their solution to the other groups or to the teacher. This is beneficial because students will work hard to look good in front of their classmates and to be able to support their findings. This also can help with public speaking, confidence, and the ability to communicate with and to others. Finally, students reflect. They think about what they've learned through the process. Students also think about what went right, what went wrong, what they would do different, etc. Finally, let us help you bring problem-based learning to your classroom. Click on the Challenges tab to grab some problem-based learning ideas for your classroom.